Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and I'm so glad that you are here for today's video because it is time for another small business vlog. Alright guys, so I'm standing in front of my Freshie starter kit, supply, inventory, shelving unit, whatever you want to call this. I've taken down all the containers because basically everything on the shelf needed to be restocked down to the boxes. So that's what we're going to start with because then I have some starter kit orders that I need to fulfill. So obviously I can't do that with an empty shelf. So let's go ahead and restock my shelving unit and then I can package up those orders. All right guys, so as you can see, my shelving unit is completely restocked. So now I am ready to package up all of those orders. So I have 3 Freshie starter kit orders that I need to fulfill for today. So the first one is for Blanca, who ordered a flower and butterfly kit, and she ordered the scent Black Ice with hers. So I'm just gonna set that right there. And she also ordered an add-on of a pink sugar fragrance oil. And then Norma also ordered a flower and butterfly kit, but she ordered Love Spell as her main fragrance. So I'm gonna set that there. But she also ordered an add-on of Black Ice and an additional aroma bead. So I'm gonna set that with hers and that one. And then Destiny ordered a cow and cowboy boot kit with the scent Pink Sugar. And she didn't get any add-ons, but she did purchase some of my digital downloads. So thank you, Destiny. So I'm gonna set hers there. And then they're all going to need an aroma bead with their kit. So I need 3 of those. And then they will each need a mason jar. And then we're also going to need 3 kit boxes. All right, now let's go ahead and package up these orders. All right guys, so I just updated the website. So here is the Freshie starter kit order form where you can choose the quantity, the different fragrances I offer, the different cookie cutter sets. But then down here where if you want an extra cookie cutter option, you can add that to your kit. You want an extra fragrance oil, you can add that. Or if you want an extra pack of aroma beads, then you can do that as well. So now I have all those options, and I updated the quantities since we just restocked the shelving unit. Okay, so now that I'm done with the computer work, now we're gonna grab those packages and head to the post office so I can get those shipped out. Alright y'all, that's where I'm gonna leave you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I did. If you did like it, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys think. And if you're watching this video and you're not already subscribed to my channel, then make sure you click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.